And good evening. Today I'm going to talk about Polyglot Runtime. We have talked about polyglot persistence, polyglot access to the data, polyglot coding, and today we will see what's meant by polyglot runtime. Often in organizations, when you write some code, that code runs very well for a small set of data, and later you realize that when the data is becoming more, it's not scaling, and then we start a Spark project or a Hadoop based project, and then we convert that particular code into a MapReduce or either a Spark based application, or you will deploy into Flink, or you may try to put it into cloud, right? Exactly that situation of duplicating the code into different runtime can be eliminated with Apache Beam. It allows multiple modes as you are seeing on the left hand side, and it allows you to create a runtime which can be deployed into either a Flink runner or a Spark runner or a direct pipeline, in which case it's a local machine, or onto Google Cloud. So let's see how it is working. For that, I'm going to go to my particular folder, and then I'm going to delete the files with prefix counts. So a minor of counts, right? And then what I'm going to do is, let's run a particular code to do the word count with a direct runner. As you can see here, it is now going to run on my local machine with a direct runner, which means that it is not going to be scaled. It is just small data, and then it can work on a small set of inputs. So let's execute this. Allow a few seconds to download all the Maven artifacts. And if suppose now I look at ls, you can see that it has created some counts, which is the MapReduce output of a small set of data. And if you look at any of this file, you can see that output is being printed, displayed. So let's just see this particular file, right? And then let's see what is there inside that particular file. So as you can see, this is the word count output. And now comes the fun. What I want to do is that now I want to run it on Spark. So all the things that you need to do, look at the last option that we gave in the previous command. It is a direct runner. And now what we are going to do is we are going to change that particular one into a Spark based program, and I will delete the counts just to create a fresh output, and we will give the run option this time as a Spark runner, as you can see. So the same code without any modifications, just by adding some options, it will become scaled onto a Spark based application. So let's execute this, and this time you can see that it is going to be deployed. In my case, it's an example, so I'm just running it on local, but you can see that a Spark context is created and it is running on the top of the Spark. And if you look at ls count star again, you can see that the count is getting created again, right? So Apache Beam is very, very useful in order to convert your program into Polyglot Runtime. Thank you for listening.